We're in downtown Columbia today working with Homeworks of America, providing a new roof for a lady. Homeworks of America reached out to us about a month ago and asked us if we were interested in partnering with them and giving back to the community for homeowners that are desperate for a new roof that at that point in time couldn't afford one. When we first came here, we always look at all of our projects and we climbed on the roof. We noticed she had multiple layers of shingles. She had areas of concern. She had issues with her chimneys and she had leaks. And we identified those areas. I think this particular homeowner is going to be so excited when this project is completed, because when I first met with her to go over the entire project with her and when we were coming to install her roof, she was so excited and she was just glowing with a huge smile on her face. Couldn't wait for us to get here and put this roof on for her.
We're here because Miss Roudine came on our radar, Homeworks radar, really a little over 3 years ago. I hate that it's taken that long, but the Lord has His timing, and He kept your house intact during that time, and we're happy that we are here now.
I'm happy too. I'm more happier than you are.
I imagine so. That's the way it's supposed to be.
We had a bad storm in 2019, and I'd had some leaks in my roof, and I was looking at TV one day and I saw Homeworks, and they were helping people that needed help with their homes because of the storm. So I said, well, nothing fails but a try. So I called the number. They said, well, then you have to put in an application. I said, where can I go wrong? It's either up or down. So I put the application in, and sure enough, Chris came by, and he came by to tell me that I was approved. Miller came by. I knew I was in the game then when I saw Premier. I just knew that I was in the game. So, and they came to me like we had known each other for years. I mean, I just felt the warmth, and I knew that they were for me. Even if you don't have to do what I did and go through someone else to get your roof on, get Premier. They are just like family. They are just like family. And they will get the job done.
We've got a 7-man crew here today replacing her roof. We're putting on a Certainty Landmark Lifetime Architectural Shingle for her. She's got 3 chimneys on here. We're going to reflash all of her chimneys. We're going to replace all of her flashings. All new synthetic underlayment, nice and water shielded in her valley. She's going to get a system roof with us that's going to last her a lifetime. Nothing excites me more than giving back to our community. We're so excited that we're going to solve all of her problems.
God has asked to love our neighbor, and if we have something that we can do to help them out and show them God's love through that task or through that day or through that process, that's what we're doing. That's what the cross is about. We're hammering hope home.
Oh, yes. Thank you so much, Chris.